Let's see the second example. Find where the function is continuous. So again, we have a piecewise function, and you have your domain here from x is not equal to 0. Another one, this is 2 if your x is equal to 0. So the point that we are concerned right now, whether it's continuous or not, is at the point x equal to 0. So let's check the first one, the first condition, g is 0. Okay, so when x is equal to 0, g0 is equal to 2. So we have fulfilled the first condition. The second condition, limits of gx as x approaching 0. So let's see here, as x approaching 0 from the left and from the right, this is your function. So let's rewrite here 1 over x. So this is the case of constant over 0. So when you have constant over 0, your answer can be positive infinity, it can be negative infinity, and it can be also does not exist. So now let's pick 0 from the left. So as 0 from the left, 1 over x is equal to negative infinity. Why? Because, for example, you pick the value of negative 0.1. So numerator is positive, denominator is negative. So the result is negative. So negative infinity. Now let's check limits of 0 from the right. Let's choose one value, 0.1. So your numerator is positive, denominator is also positive. So the answer is positive infinity. So since from the left is negative infinity and limit of x approaching 0 from the right is positive infinity, so we can say that limit of gx as x approaching 0 does not exist. Okay, so we can see that we have failed the second test. Therefore, gx fails to be continuous at x equal to 0. So we can say that gx is continuous at any other point, which is from minus infinity until 0, union 0 until infinity.